Hello friends, so in this video we are going to be looking at break of structures. So this is a very fundamental concept in the ICT trading, and it's also very important. So for that matter, we are going to try and go very basic into it. And before you can understand break of structures, we need to look at what a structure is, right? So a structure is simply price delivery, right, or price action. So when you see price action forming a certain trend, either an uptrend or a downtrend, then you can call that a structure, right? So for this sketch right here, this is an uptrend. Why? Because we have series of higher highs and then higher lows, right? So let me just mark out the point. So this is a high, right, and then this is a higher low, and this is a higher high, and then this is a higher low, right? So when you see this formation of price, then you know that this is an uptrend. Again, this in itself is a structure, and then when you have price breaking above this recent high, we call that a break of structure, right? So it forms this form of structure right here, and then price breaking above it, we mark that zone as a break of structure. So that is the whole idea. So same for this as well. This is also another example of a break of structure. Let me just label that. So we give this BOS for short. So indicating a name will help you to easily identify what type of trend line, right? So this is another break of structure, or BOS. Again, this is a break of structure because after this recent high, price goes down, forms that structure. Price comes back to break above that high. That is why I call it a break of structure. So in case of a downtrend, so we know that a downtrend is made by a series of lower highs and then lower lows, right? Just as you can see here. So market goes down, forms this structure, and then breaks further downwards. So then we'll be labeling this area as our break of structure. So you notice the difference between an uptrend and then a downtrend. So on this side, there is a break of structure to the downside. So just have this in mind that on an uptrend, there's break of structure to the upside, and then vice versa for a downtrend, right? So on a downtrend, market is breaking structure downwards. So that is how we label it. Now we are going to look at this on the live chart so that we can see how it actually works or looks like. So this is a gold chart. This is a 4-hour gold chart, and then we can easily spot a beautiful uptrend right here. So let me just mark that out real quick so that you can easily see. So this section here, we see a clear uptrend on the market, right? So anytime we see an uptrend, we are expecting break of structures to the upside, right? So from this recent high right here, you see that market goes a little bit down or retraces downwards, and then breaks above this recent high or structure to put, right? So this becomes our break of structure. And then same for this right here, market goes all the way up, retraces downwards a bit, and then breaks above that recent low. So that is also another break of structure. Now another thing very important to consider when it comes to drawing out break of structure zones are the wick and then the body, right? So you notice that anytime I'm drawing a break of structure, it is from the wick of the recent high of the candle to the body, right? So that is only what you should consider as a valid break of structure. Let me just put that down here so you can see. So it is from wick to body. Now if you see a break of structure that is from the wick to another wick of a candle, it's not a valid break of structure, right? So let's try and spot an example of a break of structure to the downside. So this is what a downtrend or a recent low, market goes back up and then comes down and then breaks this recent low right here. So you can see from the wick to the body of this candle, This right here is a valid break of structure to the downside, right? Now we'll be applying the concept of break of structures in subsequent videos. You'll see how important it is and why you need to understand and know how to draw proper break of structures. So always remember, a valid break of structure is from the wick to the body of another candle, not wick to wick. Now we are going to be learning how to apply the concept of break of structures to give us good trade entries, right? So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.